Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and if you see right here, mosquitoes pollinating my avocado flowers. I think this is the reason why my garden has so many mosquitoes. Sorry for the airplane overhead, but I don't want to miss the mosquitoes, so I'm going to still record. So like I said, this might be the reason why my garden has so many mosquitoes, is that they might be attracted to the avocado tree. I have previous videos where you'll see mosquitoes just buzzing around up here above the avocado tree, and I'm zapping them with that bug zapper. Every night they would show up in clusters. On one hand, I might have found my permanent solution on how to pollinate avocado flowers without bees always present. And on the other hand, they're mosquitoes. Delicious fruit or itchy skin. Well, it's a hard choice. I'll let them do what they do right now, and then I'll zap them in a little bit. Alright everyone, happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and